Hi, I'm Natasha Vita-Moore. I am currently chair of Humanity Plus and taking on a role as putting together a event in Second Life for the upcoming Future Day. It is our first year of Future Day, and it takes place on March 1st, 2012 this year, and we hope that it will continue on into the decades ahead. Much like holidays of the past, Future Day celebrates a concept, an idea in humanity's continuous growth, evolution, elevation, and curiosity about the future. Unlike events of the past, Future Day is about the future. It's not a celebration specifically of an event that took place some years ago in honor of a certain person or a certain day or a certain society or culture. It is about all of humanity and looking at how we might achieve our goals in the future. In a time frame that embraces a postmodernist point of view, we must consider all the points of views, looking back over time, going back to the Greeks and the Romans, ahead to the posthumans. We need to take a look at what each specific genre in philosophy and culture has presented to humanity and look at the benefits and also look at the problems that occurred, but not to refute them, but to arrive at a place that embraces all the good we've done and looks at our mistakes as possible events and situations that we can redesign and overcome. Therefore, I think it's important to take a look at the Renaissance and the Enlightenment and humanism and modernism and indeed posthumanism and postmodernism as specific episodes that are creating the ideas that we'll have for the future. In that regard, I think transhumanist scope of knowledge, information, and creativity offer us interesting ways to take a look at the scientific and technological advances of our future. So when it comes to optimism and moving forward, the transhumanist outlook is basically has a great deal to offer. Before us, we see perpetual and accelerating progress, important technological and scientific changes that will interface with our human biology and our consciousness and our goals for the future, not only as individuals, but as a culture, as a society, and as a species. So I think we need to look beyond where we are currently, embrace where we have come from historically, and also take with us the knowledge that we have, not to reconstruct or deconstruct the knowledge, but to build upon it and embrace new futures, new possibilities for humanity. Future Day is a day, March 1st, and we're looking at a global, even universal holiday that will grow and bring about new friends, new organizations, and individuals to celebrate with us. We're hoping to have parades, festivals, festivities, online, in virtuality and real time, in various environments around the planet. Again, this is our first liftoff into March 1st as Future Day, and I hope that we will see it progress over the years to come. Thank you.